Hello everyone. Today is a new day. And it's a stormy day. And you know me, when I grow up I want to be a tornado chaser. So this is actually great for me. I know a lot about storms. And here's a fact. The thing you love most, you learn about it the most. It's like, right now it's raining. Oh, lightning over there. Lightning over there. Tell me in the comments down below if you can spot any lightning. Ooh, this is cool. It's only 7% on my tablet though. Or my mum's. There's a storm. There's a storm. What? There's a storm and I'm videoing.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah? Videoing. Yeah.
At least you could have changed the top or something.
Yeah.
I don't know, I was hearing the thunder.
Yeah, it was super loud.
Ugh.
Yeah.
Well, the internet cut out.
Yeah, I know it did.
Yeah. Yeah, the internet cut out. And when I heard that big loud sound, I was like, oh my goodness, there's a storm. I need to video this. Maybe the storm did this. 6%, wow. Anyways, this storm. I love this storm. Hopefully it cuts out the power. I don't know why I wanted to cut out the power. I just want to make a video about it. And we haven't got a power cut in like a long time. We haven't even got hail in a long time. Like a few years. It is Saturday. Woo! Garbage. Oh. It's much more darker off camera. But here might be darker. Wow. So amazing, so amazing. Is that big loud thunder? I need that big loud thunder. Because it was super loud. It's raining. Oh, 5%. Do 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 do. Thunder, thunder, lightning. Thunder, lightning.
Mine's been going really slow as well, like in the afternoon, which I never had before. Yeah.
Is the internet problems coming back?
You've got the lag, where you've got where it's buffering. Haven't had that in a while. And all of a sudden,
This is cool. Yeah. This is cool.
No.
Neighbor's yard.
Yeah.
So pretty. Disgusting.
Yeah.
Where is that thunder and lightning gone? Where has it gone?
Hopefully that will come back on soon. Hopefully.
Mom, do you know where the thunder and lightning's gone?
Yeah, well, I don't know. Luckily my shopping will come and I've got food in there and two of the things she suggested anyway were already there, so I don't have to worry about going to shops. I just hope there'll be enough. Oh, well, she asked me to make 2 more nails and then it's like, well, I can make a half day for 2 more nails. Yeah, maybe shepherd's pie. Or, I don't know, casserole, soup.
Well, thank you all so much for watching. I'll give you 7 seconds to like, subscribe, and hit that button. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, come on and subscribe. And also on my thing. Hashtag say lightning in the comments down below if you saw any lightning in this video. Bye bye. Bye. See you in another video.
Yeah, no, she's